What's up, y'all? We've got two, I think these are on storm doors. They are profile cylinder style locks, and he actually brought them in and said the spring was broken, and that is because it does this. So you would automatically think that's a broken spring, but it happened to both of them. And when I looked a little bit closer at it, we'll take this off. He actually took the screws off of this one. I started looking at it. I don't know what brand these are, but crappy storm door locks. None of the springs are really broken, but one thing I did notice is this was upside down. But let's put this back and I'll show you what's going on with it a little bit closer. If you look right there, watch this. Watch how it kind of pops away from the screw. So this basically what's going on is it's like, I guess, worn down right there. Just a bad design. This is just a bad design. And I think I figured out a way to make it better. So yeah, I mean, it does kind of sound like a spring, right? But it's just not enough metal to actually withdraw that. That's just a crappy design. So what I came up with is, I'm going to try to hold this together while I'm doing this, but take this guy out. All right, pretty quick fix actually. Okay, and this is for handing the latch. But what we can do, alright, let's lay this down. Ooh, okay, it's gonna jump out when there's no screw holding onto it. So we can go get us a tiny piece of metal, just like this. Drill a couple of holes in it and then cut it out. And what that'll do, I drilled the holes just a little bit too small. Like I drilled it the exact size that it is. So, okay. And I just used, basically what I used here was a separator for a drawer made out of metal. A little metal separator that comes in the drawers. Look at that. So we're just going to put this guy back through. I guess I gotta answer the phone. Okay, right when I cut it off, Kim answered it. So there we go. Let's get this guy back. See, this is kind of in the way. So there we go. Let's put that there and push it all the way, and we will tighten it down. And I think that will actually fix the problem, from what I can tell anyway. Just blocking that metal from bypassing the head of the screw, I guess. And what I did on the other one was I kind of stuck a screwdriver right there to hold it. Oh no. Okay, the other one wasn't coming apart. There we go. Tighten it down. Move this over, hold that still, and tighten it down just like this. This would be better if I had it screwed together, but he brought it in with no screws, so I'm just going to try my best to hold everything still. Oops. Push this back out of the way. Another screwdriver. There we go, just like that. Now, if we put this guy in here and turn it, works. So that's it. That's it on fixing the no name. Actually, there is absolutely no name on this. No name guy, but uses these little profile cylinders. I think everything else works. There we go. Yep, there we go. I think that'll do it. This is pretty crappily made, but I think that will fix the problem. At least Phil'd fix it for, you know, if you get up on one and it's doing that. I would almost say that all brand new ones would need to be have that put in, because they're all gonna do that. That's just a crappy design, but what do you expect? Anyway, that's it. Quick repair of whatever the heck you want to call these things. Thanks for watching, y'all.